He wants me to smell his armpit.
Dad, you smell it.
What? You got your penny.
Nagtutbrush na kay Lance.
Tapos na ako.
Si Kulit.
No, Gab, no. Siya ko yung armpit.
Go to sleep. Go to sleep. Go to sleep. Ow!
Eh!
Aray.
Watching too close.
What? See? Sweet.
Aray.
Sleep in the bed. When you sleep, I'll let you go. Yeah. What's up?
Gab,
Yeah.
kiss. Oh! Did not kiss me.
Yeah.
Kiss. And let me kiss you. You gonna kick me?
Hey.
Oh,
Oh.
ay. Yum Yum loves Dad. Dad loves Yum Yum.
Oh, I see. Yum Yum is sleep here. Go, go, go upstairs. Go, go. Yum Yum will sleep here. Go. Go upstairs. You sleep upstairs.
What was that? Smell it.
Smell it. Smell it. Aray, aray.
Gab, mababa ko.
Smell it. Smell. Smell. Aray.
Yeah. Yeah.
Baka yung ulo.
Okay, okay. Don't smell it anymore. Okay, I will smell your armpit.
Yak!
I will smell your armpit.
Ew!
What's wrong?
Ay,
What
I stop
happened?
crying na.
Did you get hurt? Did you get me? Why? What did I do?
Oh, you say sorry kasi
Oh,
Dad.
sorry.
Oh, Dad says sorry na.
Come here, come here. You smell my armpit.
Do you still have marshmallow?
Yes.
You no more marshmallow?
He doesn't like it.
Don't like it? Oh, you get your marshmallow. You get
see,
one.
You're copying already.
You eat marshmallows then.
Come here, come here. Come here. Why? Why did you slap me? I'm not doing. I'm just hugging you.
You're making him smell your armpit.
No.
I just want to hug my baby because you're my baby. That's why I want to hug you. Because I love you.
Painumin mo yan, Dad.
Come here. Tomorrow I'll give you what? Hey, you come with me tomorrow.
Yeah, I want to go to the rainbow.
Kayo nagkakadito.
Bakit?
Kayo nagkakadyan.
Kasi yung paiyakin.
I go to swimming pool na yan.
Because you didn't take my video.
Book tomorrow I will take you with me, okay? We'll go to yellow car.
I want to go to the
Wow.
pool with the yellow car.
Okay, we go to yellow car.
This is so far away.
We'll get your new shoes. Want to see your new shoes tomorrow?
Because I want my swimming pool. That I want my swimming pool short.
Oh.
Can you buy me swimming shoes?
Okay.
There's no
I'll buy you.
Is there such a thing? How can you buy?
Can you
There
wear
is no
shoes in the
shoes.
swimming pool?
You're going swimming with shoes?
Because I want to go swimming pool.
Oh, you wear your slippers. You get some marshmallow there.
More than my slippers. Twist.
Okay? Dad, painumin mo yung mga tubig. Pagsalin mo siya sa baso ng tubig.
So heavy. Why is it so heavy?
Ay, naku, nilagay ko na ito yung ano.
It's so heavy.
Ay, you wait for Dad.
Yeah.
You wait for Dad. Going to drink water.
Go.
Tomorrow you will eat the others.
I want to.
How many is that?
This
Only one?
one. I think it's 1, 2.
No, tomorrow you will eat them. What happened?
It almost fall. I couldn't drop you.
You-
Dad,
Yeah.
you dropped your